Jive basic step along with the bow and arrow. So there will be two combinations which we'll be doing today. So let's start with the basic step, the 4-count step. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, lead my partner out. 5, 6, push the body back. 9, 10, 11, in, shuffle, in. Now what? Now what I can do is move up, twist, turn my body in and walk around. So this is one option where I stretch out. Now what I'm doing is I'm facing here, I'm bringing my partner in, changing the hand behind and turning her. So I'll do it from the side. So step in, up, both the hands up, cross, do a slight comb, in. Okay, so here what I'm doing is I'm going to go stretch out, change the hand behind, face here and then turn. The other combinations are a double cross, in, twist to the other side. Now what I'm going to do is the same thing, but I'm going to stretch the opposite side, bring my partner in, change the hand behind and turn up. So it's the very same step where I'm bringing my partner in from here. Earlier I was doing it, bring her towards my right and then moving out, bring her in, change the hand behind and turn her. So here what I'm going to do is do the same thing, but I'm going to switch to the other side, bring her to my left, stretch out, bring her in, change the hand and turn her in. And then back to the basic from the shuffle, back to the basic of the jive step, step 2.